In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in Elementor. First things first, make sure that Elementor is already installed and activated on your WordPress site. If it's not, you'll need to get that set up before moving forward. With Elementor active, we're going to extend its functionality even further by installing and activating a specific plugin. This plugin is called Elementor, Header, Footer, and Blocks. It's a must-have for customizing those key areas of your website, so head over to your WordPress dashboard and install that plugin. Once it's activated, you're ready to dive into the fun part, building your header. Now go to your WordPress admin panel and navigate to the UAE section. Here, you'll find the Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click on that, and then look for the option to add new. This is where you'll get to create your header template. When you're in the Add New screen, choose the type of template you want. In our case today, we'll be selecting Header. Go ahead and give your template a name. This will help you keep track of different templates if you decide to create more in the future. It's also time to decide where you want this header to appear on your site. I recommend selecting Entire Site for a consistent appearance across all pages, but you do have other options if you'd like specific pages to have different headers. With all that set up, next up is the fun part. Click Edit with Elementor to start designing your header. When Elementor's editor opens, you'll have a whole arsenal of widgets at your disposal, specifically provided by the Header, Footer, and Blocks plugin. These include essentials like the site logo, the navigation menu, and the site title, among others. Let your creativity take the wheel here as you drag and drop these elements into place. You can arrange them to fit your unique aesthetic vision and the practical needs of your site. Take your time styling your header. Don't forget that Elementor offers a fantastic array of options for adjusting colors, fonts, and spacing. This ensures your new header looks polished and professional. Once you're satisfied with how your header looks and functions, and you're sure it's both visually appealing and straightforward for your visitors to use, there's only one more thing left to do. Go ahead and click that Publish button. With this final click, your newly designed header will go live according to the display conditions you set earlier. And there you have it, a brand new header tailored to fit your website's unique style and needs, crafted easily with Elementor. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Elementor and WordPress. Happy designing!